This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking your internet connection and Windows Update status. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet to confirm connectivity. Then open Settings and go to Windows Update to confirm the system is current. Next, verify your Microsoft account credentials on Account, Microsoft.com to rule out password or security issues. Sign in there to confirm success. If you see an error code, write it down for targeted troubleshooting with specific steps. If your password fails, reset it at Account, Microsoft.com and wait 5 minutes. Run the network troubleshooter in Settings to resolve connectivity issues and then restart the device. If sign-in still fails, create a local account in Settings under Accounts, then sign in locally to check profile integrity. After confirming local sign-in, switch back to your Microsoft account and enter the new password. Finally, open Settings, Accounts, and Sign-in options to confirm synchronization is active. If the basic fixes fail, remove the Microsoft account from Settings and then add it again to refresh credentials. Consider creating a new user profile to migrate files if your original profile is corrupted. Use System Restore to revert to a known working point if recent changes cause the issue. Enable two-factor authentication and update recovery email and phone information to secure access. If problems persist, collect error details and contact Microsoft support for guided resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.